6 divided by 6 gives us 1, and 6 divided by 6 gives us 1 as well. 1 divided by 1 gives us 1. Unfortunately, that's wrong. And you fell for a big trap, hook, line, and sinker. But what is this trap? You didn't follow the correct order of operations, and that's why you ended up with a wrong answer. And if you're asking yourself if there is any order of operations, I'll have to tell you, yes, I'm sorry, but there is an order of operations. And without this, everybody would be lost. Let's learn this correct order, and that's PEMDAS. That's an acronym. P stands for parentheses, E stands for exponents, M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, and S stands for subtraction. Of course, we don't have most of these here, we just have division, but you must know this because I will give you a homework at the end. And here we have the highest priority till the lowest priority. Keep in mind that multiplication and division, they have the same priority. You must go from left to right, and so does addition and subtraction, go from left to right. We have just in our original expression, just divisions. You can't divide the last two and the first two, impossible. Let's just go from left to right according to PEMDAS. So 6 divided by 6, the first part obviously gives us 1. 1 divided by 6 divided by 6. 1 divided by 6 gives us a fraction, 1 over 6 or 1/6. Divided by 6. Pay attention. This is not a multiplication. This is not a 1. So how should you divide something by a number? The easiest method is to turn division into multiplication and flip the next number. So A divided by M over N, we can write it as A times N over M. In other words, reciprocal of the fraction, or swap the numerator and the denominator. So let's write it now again. 1 over 6, change the sign to multiplication and reciprocate, or swap the upper part and the lower part. So now we have just a fraction multiplications. Multiply the numerator and the denominator. 1 times 1 equals 1. 6 times 6 equals 36. And that's the final answer, 1 over 36. For your homework, what would the answer be if we had this middle 1 inside the parentheses, in other words, paired and raised to the power of 2? So please like the video to support me and my work, and subscribe to the channel and drop your answers in the comments below.